Okay guys, first you need to go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, let's scroll down, go to troubleshoot option, tap on other troubleshooters, tap on playing audio option, tap on run option, so it will detect problems automatically. So you can select which device has the issue. You can select either speakers or digital audio. Then after tap on next, then it will show if there is an error happened, it will show the error and you can try to fix that one. Then after in the taskbar you can see your volume icon like this. You can see it is muted, so you need to hear the sound, you have to unmute it like this. So make sure it is not muted like that in the previously. Then after right click on that sound icon, tap on open sound setting option. In the output section, watch the output device is correctly set up. In this case, output device is set as speakers. Make sure it is correctly set up like this. Go back, and if you experiencing input audio related issues, make sure to select the correct microphone device. So you can see there are two options here. Make sure to select correct one, then after close this one, and again right click on your start menu, go to device manager, double tap on sound, video and game controls, right click on each driver, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. Do the same thing for other three also. If it is not working, right click on it, go to update driver, select the second one, select this one, select your driver, tap on next. Again go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, go to sound like this, scroll down and tap on more sound setting. Select your playback device, right click on it, go to properties, go to enhancement option, tick on disable all enhancement like this. If it is not ticked, you have to tick this one, tap on apply, tap on OK. Again you have to go to the Windows update option. If you pause the Windows update, just resume it. If you see check for update option in here, just tap on that one to update recent update. It will update the Windows update and also drive update too. So once it is done, you can close this one. And in the hardware level, you can try to different audio port or device if you're using external speaker kind of thing. So if none of these method not working, right click on it, start menu, go to device manager. Again go to sound, video and game controls, right click on it, tap on properties, go to driver tab. If rollback driver is enabled, in my case it is disabled, just tap on it to roll back to previous state of your driver if you install latest driver. Once it is done, you can tap on OK, cancel, and other than that you can uninstall that one. Then after you have to restart your computer to install again. Once you're done with all the methods I told you, you have to restart your computer, then try to the problem is fixed or not. If it is still happening, it can be hardware related issue most probably. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.